Hello once again, it's Vaughan Chrysler's pre-owned department. Now normally we start on the outside of our walk-around videos, but today I figured we'd start right away on the inside just to show you the huge amount of space available in this 2023 Ford Transit 250 all-wheel drive high roof edition. You look at the driver's area here. This vehicle comes equipped with a 10-speed shiftable automatic. That's a smaller touchscreen, but it does have a backup camera with dynamic guides. It does have smartphone connectivity. You can see also you have stability control there. You have your cruise, you have your hands-free phone. And this unit has 61,599 kilometers on it. Simple gauge cluster. Fairly no frills. I think the orange seatbelts are kind of a nice touch. Does have power windows. And like I said, the main reason why, though, you want to buy this vehicle is just the huge amount of space. This is also on a smaller overall size. This is the short one. It doesn't have the extended rear. You have the overhead lighting, which is quite bright. And this interior is in excellent condition. Not only is the interior in excellent condition, as we walk out the side sliding door, this unit is very, very clean. Riding on 16-inch painted steelies. You have the doors, the rear doors fully folded. Show you the huge amount of space there, which you already saw. Again, showing all sides. It's in excellent condition. And like I said, all-wheel drive. And there's the driver's area where we just saw. We already have the hood up. Just to give you some insight on this. And this one is running at the 3.5-liter V6 flex fuel engine. It generates 275 horsepower and 260 pound-foot of torque. Like I said, made it to that 10-speed shiftable automatic. And for those that want to know, you can tow up to 6,600 pounds with this unit, and your total haulage is about 3,500 pounds. So, if you're looking for a very clean, virtually new 2023 Ford Transit 250, shorter wheelbase, high roof, with the 3.5-liter engine, this unit, like I said, is in excellent condition, is available today from Vaughan Chrysler. Thanks for watching this.